A mechanical keyboard is often considered the best option when it comes to gaming, and offers a better typing experience which can even help to improve your speed and accuracy for gaming. So how do you make the right choice for your gaming style and preference? Well, in this video, we break down the top 3 cheap mechanical keyboards on the market this year, based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for an ultra cheap keyboard with a little RGB, or a cheap mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse combo that bundles everything you need at a great price, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which cheap mechanical keyboard will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. We'll start with the Redragon K552, our choice for best ultra cheap mechanical keyboard. The Redragon K552 is a great option if you're on a limited budget and looking for an ultra cheap keyboard. This mechanical keyboard gives you a lot for its low price. Solid construction, RGB options, anti-ghosting, red switches, and comes in a smaller 10 keyless footprint. Taking a closer look at the K552, you'll immediately see that despite its budget price point, it's actually decently built. The housing is plastic, but it's reinforced with a metal plate that makes it feel quite sturdy and also serves as a solid foundation for mounting the red key switches, making them highly durable and able to stand up to all your marathon gaming sessions. For further resistance to wear and tear, the keycaps are double-shot injection molded, and the entire keyboard is splash resistant and uses gold-plated USB connectors that will stand up to a lot of heavy use. For a little gamer style, the K552 gives you RGB lighting with 19 different lighting effects, preset game modes, and 2 user-defined modes. It also features anti-ghosting, a Windows key lock, and media controls. The keyboard connects to your computer using a non-detachable cable, and on the bottom, there's nothing remarkable, just the standard flip-out feet and a little rubber to prevent slippage. Now, as I mentioned, the K552 comes with Cherry MX Red equivalent switches and is a good option for gamers who prefer a quieter switch than the highly clicky blue switches. The red switches don't have the same tactile bump and loud click in the key press, but they do give you more speed and much quieter operation. It's really a matter of preference, but I think that the Redragon made a wise move here to go with the red switches. They're very easy to press, lightweight to the touch, and have a smooth mechanical actuator that you'll enjoy using. If you're looking for an ultra-cheap, well-built mechanical keyboard that offers the benefits of quieter red switches, RGB lighting, and more, the Redragon K552 will do the job nicely and at a price that makes it a complete steal. Now we'll take a look at the HyperX Ally FPS Pro, our choice for best 10 keyless cheap mechanical gaming keyboard. Like the Redragon K552, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro is also a 10 keyless 87 key keyboard. It gives you everything a serious gamer needs, including responsive Cherry MX blue switches, a tough steel frame, and a detachable cable that make the keyboard completely portable, and the best part is that it's still very reasonably affordable. The first thing you'll notice when you pick up the FPS Pro is how heavy it is for a 10 keyless keyboard, and the reason for this is its tough solid steel frame that maintains a stable platform while you're gaming. The underside of the keyboard has pop-out feet and some rubber strips for added stability. The detachable cable connects to the right side of the keyboard, which is great for keeping it out of the way and makes cable management a whole lot easier. The FPS Pro uses Cherry MX blue switches that have a very noticeable click. Some gamers love this attribute and swear by the blue switches, so if you're in the blue camp, this keyboard will work very well for you. But do take note that blue switches do require greater actuation force, and if you play a lot at night, it can get quite loud. But again, it's just something to be aware of, and not being raised as a negative, and it falls under personal preference. Lighting on this keyboard is more subtle and limited to red LEDs, but you can change the brightness, and it has effects that include a static all-on mode, a breathing effect, key-activated lighting, a ripple and wave effect, and a mode that only lights up the WASD keys. Even though this is a 10 keyless keyboard, it still has media controls, which is a nice touch. If you're searching for one of the best 10 keyless mechanical keyboards with blue switches, the HyperX Alloy FPS Pro gives you a lot for your money, and it's hard to beat in terms of performance and price. Last, we'll be taking a look at the Havit Mechanical Keyboard, our choice for best cheap mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse combo. PC gaming can get expensive, especially when you start looking at mechanical keyboards and high-precision gaming mice. But bundles like the Havit Mechanical Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo offer you a single solution at a price point that makes it an amazing deal. In the box, this bundle comes with a key removal tool, a detachable wrist rest, a mechanical keyboard, and of course, the gaming mouse. Underneath, there's some adjustable feet and some soft rubber pads to help improve overall grip. The Havit is a true mechanical keyboard that uses tactile clicky switches that behave similarly to the Cherry MX Blues. However, there's no dedicated multimedia keys on this keyboard, so you're going to have to use the alternate functions on the F keys in order to control the media. But on the plus side, you do get full N key rollover anti-ghosting. The gaming mouse that comes in this bundle is definitely on the larger side, and has a really pronounced hump in the middle, which makes it a really comfortable mouse for people with larger hand sizes. There's a total of 7 buttons on the mouse. You'll find 2 side buttons, the scroll wheel, which also works as a DPI adjustment button, and the main primary left and right click buttons. On the bottom of the mouse, there are some basic low friction feet, and the optical sensor that has a sensitivity range of up to 4800 DPI. While that's not exactly high, it's more than enough for the average person. Both the keyboard and the mouse have RGB lighting, and you can use the key combination on the keyboard to control the keyboard lighting, and there's a lighting control button on the top of the mouse. There's also a software application that you can download from Havit's website. If you're looking for a cheap mechanical gaming keyboard and mouse combo to get you started, you should put this bundle from Havit on your list. You'll get all the basic features you're looking for at a price that won't drain your wallet. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now. So if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.